everybody, and welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Today is Thursday, October 30th, 2025. Currently, I'm out discing with the 1566 International that has been sitting for 15 years, and changed the fuel in it, the fuel filters, put no fuel in it. Put a battery in it. The starter was pulled out of it to put a new starter in it. He fired right up. So yeah, Krueger Family Farms. I have got the 1566 International running low range third gear, and I got the John Deere 220 disc behind me. So right now I'm into the point of the fall where I'm trying to dead sprint to get tillage done. So I came home from school today, added hydraulic transmission oil to the tractor here, and now I'm just the wheels up. Like, I got the wheels off the ground back there completely discing right now. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't recorded in a long time to post, but trust me, it's been a non-stop sprint this fall. So, and I couldn't get any real footage plowing because, well, plowing I can feel a lot more attention than discing, but discing, well, I still got to pay a good amount of attention because I keep getting over too dang far to the one side, so I'm going to have to shoot back up the center of this pass and clean it up between these two passes, combine them into one. But yeah, I'm turning and burning right now, boys and girls. Who do I got to give a shout out today? Today's shout outs are going on to McCoy Ferguson for being such a great human and really good person in general. The world needs a lot more people like him, and his dad Jeremy Ferguson. Those two are very, very good people, and the world needs a lot more good people like those two, because there's very few left of those kind of people. There's not many left anymore. Not many of them good people left. Trust me, I'm one of the good guys, but yeah, am I a jerk sometimes? Absolutely, I can be a jerk. Guess why I'm a jerk though? It ain't because I really want to be a big old douchebag. It's because the way people treat me. I ain't gonna be a jerk to somebody for no reason. You're gonna have to give me a reason to be a jerk to you. But other shout-outs tonight are Tommy Butler, Mr. Butler, Central Cass High School football coach, for being a great coach for the boys on the team, great person, and always got good energy. And also for getting us into the playoffs for football, and well, he's a coach, so he's part of the reason we got into the playoffs, and he's going to take us all the way to the state champs this year. We're going all the way this year for football, though. other shout outs is Mason Olson for being a really good person, because, well, I'll say this much. He's a really good dude. Mason's a really good dude. Who else may I give a shout out to? Mr. Nate Bruce from Central Cast Shop Teacher, and he also owns Horizon Custom Contracting. And if you haven't checked his business out yet, I recommend you do it, because he does good work. And turning around at the end of the field here, single-handed today. Right now I'm trying to turn the whole disc around single-handed. And, well, dare I say it, it's actually working. To turn around single-handed, to be able to start heading back up this way, the other way. I gotta leave here about 5 something. I gotta leave here about 6:30, because I got a church meeting tonight. I have every Thursday. I gotta go to every Thursday, so. Hence I'm trying to walk as fast as I can. Get her done is what I'm trying to do right now. I don't know how many more passes I'm going to do tonight, but right now I'm just trying to clean up a middle pass that I missed a little on, but I mean, we got a bearing out on our disc right now, where part of life. Crap happens, stuff breaks. So yeah, right now I currently am running kitty corner passes with the big dog. With our big tractor. What I'm in right now is our big tractor. It's the big tractor on the farm. Not many people would actually think, oh, hey, is that your big tractor? Yeah, it is my big tractor. The engine's rated at 183 horse. I Googled it the other day. How much PTO power she has, though, well, that's a whole nother question. Sun just speaked out of the clouds and started to screw my depth perception. But, I don't know. I'm going to give a shout out to my dad, Mom, and Grandpa for all the help they've given me this fall. Being able to farm the ground out here, farm the family land. It's only taken me, I don't know how long it's taken now. Being able to, I mean, we should have broke this field up that I'm in right now at least minimum of 10 years ago, 15 years ago roughly. This has been in, 5-10 years ago, should have broken it up, because it's been in alfalfa for over 15-20 years, so yeah. Alfalfa, max, you should have it in there about 5 to 10 years max. between seating. But yeah, trying to get her done right now because, well, I want to get done for the season. Get her disc down. I might hit another pass this fall. I'm not sure yet. Just trust me. I've already got like 100 feet disc, if not more. I've probably got about over 100 feet disc down today. I've probably got about 120 feet down today. Disc so far. Not including the stuff I'm hitting the second time. Because I missed on my pass down when I was recording, so yeah. So I'm getting to the end of the field here. And I'm to turn around, I think. I don't know who else I can give a shout out to. There's one person, but I don't think they'd really appreciate me giving them a shout out. Other than they're a really, really kind person. And I ain't gonna name names, but they're actually one of my favorite people to be around at school. So I'm getting to the end of the field here, and I'm about to wrap it up on this, because I got to turn around here again. So, boy, Travis Smith, story said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch. I'll talk to you guys later. All at Krueger Family Farms.